Hi friends, in today's video we'll learn what are YouTube tags and why it matters. So you would have seen when you upload a video, right? It asks for even for a short, it asks for tags, right? I will just show you the section where it happens. So just for the sake of it, I will select a random file. Now this is where you can see the section tags. What it says over here is tags can be useful if your content in the video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tags play a minimal role in helping viewers find your video. What does this mean? That basically it helps you to understand what your video is about. And when you refresh them with better, stronger keywords, your video can start appearing in more search results and suggested videos. A prime example is I have this video on my main channel, which is Singapore tourist visa process for Indians. You can see it is 23,459 views, but that's not the case why I'm showing this. Now, when you go to this channel and if you see the engagement, it shows 12.1. But more than this, you can see the graph of it, right? It's continuously rising. And one of the key reasons is all the tags, right? For this this is a short. Uh, so you can see all the tags over here which are listed. Almost all are ranked. Now, when I say ranked, basically it means this. You can see most of the tags which I've shown are ranked, and by ranked is the hashtag and the number followed by the tag. Now, this is a feature of vidIQ. I have a vidIQ extension. vidIQ is a platform which helps grow your YouTube channel. So I search for the keywords for my short or video, and I plug them in over here. You can do it via maybe the YouTube. You can do it via maybe the vidIQ search criteria for keywords, or you can directly go over here and enter the keywords. They also show relative keywords as per relevance, which you can add to your tags and whichever are ranked. So as per vidIQ, this video would be ranked sixth for Singapore tourist visa. You can do this reverse check, but in this case what happens is what I observed, the tags which get ranked, and if there are many tags in your tag section, your video generally performs well, not only for a short period of time but for over a sustainable period of time, right? Ongoing, like I shown for this video, there are other videos also. This depends on the search volumes for that topic. So it's not only a case of why isn't it getting million views, because only a certain set of people are searching for it, and the more trending the topic is for the lifetime, it will trend that much. But one of the key criteria, as I told you, this is another video which has got around, I guess, 52,000 views, right? Now for this also, so this is kind of an evergreen video for my channel as well, which gets views on daily basis. It hasn't dipped since it has been posted. So when I was trying to reverse engineer the logic, why I saw that the tags for these videos, which basically trend for a long period of time, would have multiple tags getting ranked on YouTube, right? So if you are interested in checking out vidIQ, do check in the description of this video. I will share the vidIQ subscription link in the comments as well. Do subscribe and grow your YouTube channel with grow your YouTube channel with more insights and strategies via vidIQ, right? If your video isn't getting the views you expected, try updating tags based on what people are actually searching for. You can do this via YouTube Search Console, trying keywords like trending keywords via different tools, or maybe you can try tools like vidIQ, and there is another one called TubeBuddy, right? And the benefit is obviously there is better visibility, more search traffic, and higher chance of ranking for the right audience. If you find this useful, do like the video and drop in the comments if you have any queries about this. Do subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave for more such inputs.